folks, I'm Keith Bowen. This is Hard Rock University, and today we're going to try microwave smelting. We're going to take some of the damp stage 3 resin, mix up some fluxes, and microwave this rascal and see what happens. So 25 grams in this crucible here. This will weigh or not. By golly, it's still under the limit.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm not exactly sure what this stuff is, but it's made for microwave smelting. Got a lot of manganese dioxide in it. We'll take a pile of it. Let's see, so you want to go to 250, right? Mm-hmm. So we had less than 50 mils.
So you should be about 300 mils when you're done.
And so we're going to 250 total, which is more than a 4-to-1 ratio by volume. I think it's probably excessive. And then our previous smelts, we were using 60 grams of litharge. I'm thinking 30 should be enough. What do you think? Go 60? What would you guess?
You know, I was thinking 40, but we could...
40? Okay, we got 40.
We could go 35 too.
Sounds good to me. Let's see. So, and by the way, this is something I've generated these forms so that we can, as we do our experiments, we keep all the raw data in this one book so we don't lose it. So we're looking at 40 grams of litharge and no silver. Pardon?
You wanna? It's up to you.
I don't know. Now let's go no silver and see what happens. Okay? Okay, so now I'm just blending the bejesus out of this. Oh, that smells horrible. Well, that resin is just some nasty stuff.
Yeah, you already know what I think of the smell.
Yeah, we can't say it on...
For anybody who's ever smelled fermented fish paste, fermented fish paste is about what this resin smells like.
What was that, garum or something in Roman times?
The Roman times, yes. Garum was a nasty
Is that
fish.
what that was? I'll be damned.
It was one of them.
I think Joachim
Quite
said...
a few cultures have fermented fish paste.
I think Joachim said up in Sweden they had like something where you'd bury fish in the beach or something.
Yeah, they do the same thing in Alaska and Malaysia. Just about every seafaring culture has a fermented fish paste.
Okay, note to self, do not become a seafaring culture.
Let's...
Oh, wait a minute, stop.
Oh, you haven't put the...
No litharge in there.
Okay.
Yep.
Why did you hand it to me?
Because I'm an idiot, okay? You don't have to point it out.
You can edit that.
This is a known fact. He is now half-witted, since we all know that men's brains are stored in their testicles.
Oh, man, that's harsh, girl. That is harsh.
Well, you know, we have to get some good mileage out of your lefty jokes from now until the end of time.
That one hurt me.
I am not a fan of the smell of this stuff.
Neither am I. But I'm a fan of the look of gold. Gold, I tell you. Yeah. Out there?
Let's not push it.
Sir, yes, sir.
Let's not push it.
Okay, so what's going to happen now, Bear?
Over in here. Now here we have a bunch of ceramic foam blocks and a microwave.
Yeah, and what's the wattage on that microwave? Any idea?
1250.
And now he closes up his oven, so to speak. That's sitting on like a piece of ceramic plate or something.
Mm-hmm.
I believe it's 30, right?
Mm-hmm.
30 minutes.
Very nice doors on this blast hood here.
Blast hood? I don't think it's a blast hood. Vent hood. He's got magnetic tape here, and so he can
Well-
get it anywhere from closed completely off, or like right now where it's just sucking in the bottom and going up.
It would probably contain a little mostly peaceful, polite explosion. I mean, let's get optimistic here.
It's a mostly peaceful invasion. Okay, so
This
now,
would contain a mostly peaceful explosion, quite obviously.
now we gotta let it sit for 30
Hurry up and
minutes.
wait.
Yep.
Ever.
Okay, so
Oh my goodness.
Well, you know, once his operation gets better, he's going to want to be living in the lab.
you know, I'm doing stuff at home too. Now he takes his little ceramic oven out of the microwave. Carefully.
Not my right tongs, but it'll work.
Well, it looks reasonably under control. You can see the little beads there. Ready to add more?
Yep.
Is that the plan?
Yep.
That looks really cool.
I'm gonna try to get this hot enough to where we get most of this charge to unstick here.
See, those beads are glowing.
Yep.
Sure is working. Pour some more? Or pour the whole thing?
Let's see what it looks like. Don't get over it. Oh, hell. Dump her in. Yeah. What the hell? That might be plenty. I don't know.
Really cool.
We might have to do a... Yeah, go ahead. What the hell? That looks good.
Okay. This is so weird, just using a microwave.
I think it's really cool.
I do too. It's just weird cool. Okay, so now we've had it in here for another 30 minutes. It's glowy.
That is so cool.
Looks like it's still digesting to me.
Yeah. We put
Nice
a
and
double
thin.
charge in, so...
The flux is nice and thin, but
Yeah.
I don't think it's ready to pour yet.
No, it's not. It's not.
Yep.
hot does this thing actually get?
2,300.
Really? So it can't just keep going up forever?
No.
Interesting. Those are those little glowing points of
I
light.
see beads.
Oh yeah,
I do.
that's what I think they are.
A lot of them I let out when
Good grief.
I'm trying to get this carbon hot enough so it unsticks. A lot of them were stuck to the carbon the last time.
The rod?
Yeah,
No.
the rod. That's lots better. Still got a few stuck on there, but nothing like we had.
It's
Hey,
boiling.
back up a little.
It's boiling.
Yep. Back up. I need to get out of its way. This is after another 30 minutes, so we're at a total of 90 minutes at this point. Don't see much. Oh, there's a little churning still.
Good, we just brought some little prills up to the surface that were stuck to the bottom. We'll give it another 10 and now she's releasing some that was stuck on the carbon rod.
Yeah. So the insulating stuff is not absolutely insulating, huh?
Not at 2,300 degrees.
Yeah, for safety, I would figure out something that's easier to grab
Yep,
simply.
I totally agree. God, I like the looks of that, Keith.
Looks pretty smooth. Very thin.
I like the looks of that.
Well, it looks good to me. Now the question is there any lead in it?
This board.
Yeah. I wonder if the old timers would think about that. Ceramic foam.
Exactly. Boy, they'd like to have seen it, wouldn't they? Nice chunk of lead, buddy.
Really?
You betcha.
Good. So, even I have to take off here. It's still going to be cooling for a while. And when he gets it cupelled and everything, he'll give me a call and I'll post it on the video here. And we'll see how well this worked. So happy prospecting and keep it safe out there.